1% sounds tiny until you let it compound for 40 years. Let's say you invest $500 a month for 40 years. At 7% a year, you end up with roughly $1.31 million. But if a 1% annual fee drags your net return down to about 6%, you end up with roughly $1 million. That tiny 1% costs you more than $30,000. That tiny 1% didn't cost you 1%. That tiny 1% cost you more than all the money you personally put in. This is the fine print most beginners skip. A fee is not just money you pay today. It's money that never gets the chance to grow tomorrow. Think of your portfolio like a tree. Time makes the fruit grow, slowly, season after season. But fees? Fees are like someone stepping into your garden every year and cutting off the fruit before it ever ripens. That unripe fruit, it was supposed to seed next season too. To be clear, not every fee is evil. Good advice can be worth paying for. A useful platform can be worth paying for. But a fee you don't understand is different. That's not service. That's leakage. This is why some people feel confused. They invest consistently. They don't panic sell. They do most things right. But the bucket still fills slower than expected because there are holes they never checked. So before you invest, check 3 things. 1, the fund's expense ratio. 2, any advisory fee. 3, platform or transaction fees. Don't just ask, what can I earn? Ask, what gets taken out before I get to keep it? That's the part most people miss. Compounding doesn't just grow your money, it grows whatever stays in the system, including fees. So check the fees before you check the returns. And if you want the full compounding story, watch episode 1 here.